Good morning, students. I hope you might have learned the synonyms which we have done yesterday. Today we are going to do next exercise. In this exercise, we will learn about the ways of walking. The words in column A describe the way people walk. These words are all from the story. You have read all these words in the story. Match them with their meanings in column B. Here are the words in column A: strolled, hurried, crept, wandered, trudged. All these words are related with the ways of walking. And most of the meanings you know earlier because you have read in the story. Strolled. Strolled means walked in a slow, relaxed manner, especially for pleasure. When you walk for enjoyment is called strolled. Hurried, moved quickly, means when you go very fast is called hurried. Crept, moved slowly and quietly to avoid being noticed. When you move very slowly and very quietly so that nobody can see you, that is called crept. Wandered, walk around slowly with no purpose or direction. When you are not having any work and you go somewhere, that is called wandered. Sometimes you do not have any work and you are getting bored and you go out of the house and wandered here and there. Trust, walk slowly with a lot of effort. Sometimes when you go on the hills, you walk very slowly with a lot of effort, that is called trust. Now you can match these words by putting the numbers against the words in column B. Strolled. Strolled means walked in a slow, relaxed manner. Hurried. Hurried means moved quietly. Crept. Crept means moved slowly and quietly to avoid being noticed. Wandered, walked around slowly with no purpose or direction. Trust, walk slowly with a lot of effort. Now students, you have to learn all these words with their meanings. You have to learn the words with their meanings and learn the